This is why you need to know how to get rid of hiccups quickly. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm gets a little too excited and starts contracting involuntarily. But don't worry, I've got some quick tricks to help you out. Try gargling with ice water for about a minute or suck on a small piece of ice. Another cool method: breathe slowly into a paper bag. This raises the carbon dioxide levels in your lungs and helps your diaphragm chill out. Or just hold your breath for a few seconds. Fun fact: the longest recorded case of hiccups lasted 68 years. Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922 and finally stopped in 1990. So with these tips, you'll be hiccup-free in no time. Good luck!